Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. I'm going to teach you how to send large files over emails. Sometimes you need to share important documents, photos or videos with friends, families or co-workers, but regular email attachment often can't handle big files. Don't worry, I'll show you how to get around that easily. Let's get started. First, open your email address and click the Compose button to start a new message. Next, inside the Compose window, look for the paperclip icon and attach Files button. Clicking this opens your File Explorer, letting you browse your computer for the file you want to send. Take a moment to find the right file. Select the file you want to send. Select the file you want to share. But here is the catch. If your file is too large for your email provider attachment limit, you'll see a message explaining that big files need to be sent using a cloud service like Google Drive. This limit exists on most email platforms to keep things running smoothly and ensure your emails get delivered without any issues. When you see this message, just click OK or got it to continue. What happens next is Google Drive automatically uploads your file to your Drive storage and inserts a link to your email draft. This link lets your recipients access the large file safely and without worrying about email size restrictions. Before sending, make sure your file's sharing settings are set correctly. In Google Drive, right-click the file, choose Share, and confirm that either anyone with a link can view it or it's shared directly with your recipient's email address. And that's it. Your large file is now ready to send via Google Drive link. Simple and hassle-free. Keep in mind, if you prepare other cloud storage services like Dropbox or OneDrive, it works just as well. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide made sending large files over email easy for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more easy tutorials.